Hi students, now the second sum in ray optics. A thin biconvex lens of refractive index 3/2 and radius of curvature 30 cm is immersed in water. So the refractive index of water is given as 4/3. Its focal length in water is how much? Okay, when a lens is immersed inside water, its focal length will not be the same. It is going to change. Okay. So what is the focal length inside water? We are going to find out. So first of all, the first diagram is depicting that a convex lens is placed in air. So what will be the situation when the lens is placed in air? The first medium is air, the second medium is glass. So for this, the lens maker's formula, if I write, means 1 by F air. This is equal to mu2, that is mu glass divided by mu air minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. So this is the expression when the lens is kept in air. Okay, now what will happen when the convex lens is immersed inside water? What medium is surrounding the water is taken as the first medium. So water is the first medium and still glass is the second medium. So here the focal length of this lens, okay, inside water its focal length is Fw I have taken. So this is now equal to the refractive index of the second medium divided by the refractive index of the first medium water minus 1 into 1 by R1 minus 1 by R2. Okay. Now what is given here? The radius of curvature, it is a symmetric on both sides. Therefore, the radius of curvature R1 is positive. So this is equal to plus 30 centimeter and R2 is equal to minus 30 centimeter. And mu, in this equation we are going to substitute mu of the first medium, that is mu of the first medium mu1. Mu1 is equal to mu water, that is given as what? 4/3. So this is 4/3. And mu of the second medium, the second medium is glass and that is given as 3/2. So this is 3/2. Have you all understood first what is given in the problem? So the refractive index of the first and the second medium you have to take correctly down. Okay. So in this given case, when the lens is immersed inside water, the first medium is water. Therefore refractive index of the first medium is taken as 4/3. And the second medium is glass. Therefore, mu2 is equal to 3/2. So, I am going to substitute in the second equation 1 by Fw. So, this is now equal to, okay, left hand side is 1 by Fw is now equal to mu glass. Mu glass is how much? 3/2. So, this is 3/2 minus divided by, okay, 3/2 divided by mu of water is 4/3. So this is 4/3 minus 1 into 1 by 30. Minus of minus will become plus 1 by 30. Okay. So minus of minus 30 will become plus 30. So this is now equal to 3/2 minus 3/2 divided by 4/3. Is it not? So this is equal to 3/2 taking LCM minus 4/3, okay, whole divided by 4/3, whole divided by 4/3. So minus 1 into 4/3 I have shifted here for taking LCM into this is 1/30 plus 1/30 is what? 2/30. Okay, now this is once again equal to what? Or here I will write this is once again equal to, in the numerator alone you have to take the LCM. Okay, patiently you have to do the stepwise calculation. So 3 into 3 9 minus 4 into 2 8. So 9 minus 8 divided by 3 2s are 6. So this is 9 minus 8, okay, divided by 3 2s are 6 whole divided by 4/3 into 2/30 can be written as 1/15. Okay. So once again I am rewriting. Okay. Therefore 1 by Fw is now equal to, so this is 9 minus 8 by 6 is 1/6. So this is 1 by 6 divided by 4 by 3. Okay, this is 4 by 3 into 1 by 15. So into 1 by 15. So this is also now equal to what? 1 by 6 divided by 4 by 3 can be written as 1 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 4 into 1 by 15. Understand? So 1 by 6 divided by 4 by 3 can be written as 1 by 6 into 3 by 4. So this is now equal to, so 3 5s are 15 I can take. So this is now equal to 1 divided by 6 4s are 24, or 6 into 5 4s are 20. So this is 6 into 20. So 1 by, this is now equal to 1 by 6 into 20 is 1 by 120. So this implies after taking reciprocal, FW is now equal to what? FW is equal to 120 centimeter. Therefore, the focal length of the convex lens when it is immersed in water is equal to 1.20 meter. So 120 centimeters also equal to 1.2 meter. So which of the options is correct? You see here option D is given as 1.2 meter. Okay. Therefore, option D is the correct answer. So final answer is 1.20 meter. Okay, students. So how to do this problem? I told you first when you start learning this topic, you draw the schematic diagram. Then only you will understand very clearly. After practicing so many problems of this type, then when you become thorough, directly you can do. You need not draw the diagram and all. So as a beginner, you draw first the lens is kept in air. Write the lens maker's formula. And then when it is immersed in water, so you will realize in both the cases the second medium is glass. Is it not? Only the first medium is changing. So that two equations you are writing, and in the appropriate equation if you substitute means you will get the correct answer. I hope you must have understood this well. Fine.